Hindi ko na paano kung sa itong laki.
Ayan, si Tito Chad.
Ay, bawal.
Tyron, si Kaki. Samahan mo lang yung po yung sa contest. Kaki, Tyron, Ichalo.
Look who this creature is. And look who that other creature is. Fuck you! Because of you, I have not slept a lot. Ayan po, may pogi po doon sa gilid. Oh. Ayan, ito na po yung for Gundam. Ayan. So may mga One Piece din sila dito sa Great Toys. What else? Ayan, so may mga may mga bikini girls. There we go. Hi! There's a lot of mix and matches dito sa mga boxes, pero it's okay. Tapos, ito. So, Storm Collectibles, mga Storm Collectible guys. Ito, Feilong, King. Tapos mga NECA. NECA to alam ko eh. So, ayan. Last Ronin yung bet ko dyan eh. Ito, si Rem. Si Ram. Ano din. Tapos, Mafex. Mafex po eh. This one, really good. Okay din yung Thor and Darth Vader. So far okay yung Darth Vader. Depende lang version 1.8 yata. Pero okay lang. Still updated. So we got Kingdom Hearts. And Real Action Heroes na Eva 01. Really good. Makala. Okay. Fury on Ice. Let's check the others. So dito this is Mezco. Skull Island, Balrog. Okay. Tapos may Game of Thrones. Kung may Game of Thrones fans. Ayan, Game of Thrones. You have si Bran Stark. Jaime Lannister. I think this is the Anna Roma. Okay. Next shelf. Walking Dead. Pero I think statue na to, Witcher na to. Koto yata to. Yep, Koto. Panda. Cute. Tamashi Nations. gusto niyo rin ng Tamagotchi, meron ding Tamagotchi na available here. Ayan, iba-ibang colors. And it is for, ano? 3,800? 3,000. Ayan. So, meron ding yung old school. There we go. Cute. And now, nandito tayo sa tinatawag kong waifu corner ng store and I'll show you why. Ayan. So, mga daming waifu. Ang daming waifu. Ayan. Okay, let's check them out. Waifu ng lahat. And kung classics naman yung hinahabol niya, meron din naman classics dito sa Great Toys. Ayan, si Bazinger, si Daimos, si Devilman nandito. Meron din tayong ayan, si Godzilla. Oy, classic. Nala niyo ba yan? Si Ramrod. So, di ba yung pangalan niya? Si Rod Leon. Yung Megazord Classic. Man, meron ako nito pero Go Sager. Ay, Go Fighter. Anyway. Bye, Dragon. And ayan, that's a big ass Power Ranger merch. Meron ding mga anime merch. Ate, pakapidyo lang ha. Wala yan.
Ang gusto kong manyan. Sana meron sa ng tayo ko nito.
Okay.
Papabayaan mo to sa toy store, sigurado ka? Sigurado ka? Wala ka palang pera eh.
For dropping by.
We love you, Tito Chad.
So yun, so this is yung parang latest store branch ng GreatToysOnline.com, yung GH Mall. And parang from the longest time, nag-stay din si Great Toys sa Green Hills area since I think ano pa siya, sa Shopsville pa. Then nag-move siya later on sa V-Mall and then finally may bigger store na ngayon sa GH Mall. And to detail din lahat ng mga upcoming promos, ano yung mga highlights sa new shop nila ngayon. Introduce ko si Sir Malvin Lim, owner ng Great Toys Online.
Good afternoon. So basically, Great Toys started in 2001. Our first store is in Shopsville. Then we moved multiple times in the past years. Of course, due to renovation ng shopping mall, as well as also we also want to acquire a bigger space so that we'll be able to present the products properly to our fans and customers. So as the time goes on, we moved to Shopsville, then later to V-Mall, the main V-Mall, in the hopes to share to fellow collectors and share to enthusiasts our passion and love for these collectibles and the IPs that we love and enjoy. It started last year. Green Hills admin approached us with a proposal to open a store here at the GH Mall being the flagship store to help push and elevate the hobby to a higher level for all the collectors and all the fans and enthusiasts. So, welcome to our new store. We just opened this store basically just 2 months ago, late October. So, this store is relatively new. So, thank you very much for coming. So, we'll be having some raffles later today for everybody, as well as some prizes. And we'll have some short presentation and discussion, some of the products and brands that we carry and offer to both the other shops in the Philippines as well as to the end user.
Could start tayo sa presentation like yung all about Great Toys Online.
Sister company. So this is Jesus Lim. He's from Top Homes Marketing. He's one of the distributors for Mizuno, which is one of the popular Japanese attendance brands. So he'll be, so we're doing a short of a partnership now to display some of the latest 2024, 2025 and upcoming Mizuno products.
Uy.
I'll be showing you a presentation of what the different footwear that is available at Great Toys online store.
But the product is mainly distributed by his company.
It's mainly distributed by Capcom's marketing and footwear. That's badminton, lawn tennis, and table tennis. All these are the latest colors just arrived for 2025. They're in the spring category. First and foremost is the running shoes. This is the Mizuno Speed Trainer. It is the Mizuno Wave Rebellion Flash 2 in the night run color. That's white, silver, and pink. Next is the Mizuno Football. These are in the 2025 Frontier colors. This is the speed boot for elite athletes. Then this is the volleyball, the top of the line volleyball from Mizuno for the power game. This is the Wave Momentum 3. And then this is the volleyball shoes, Wave Flow 3, used by Mizuno sponsored player from Taiwan. That's Su Wenqi. She's sponsored by Mizuno and she's from Taiwan. Mizuno table tennis, Sky Surfer. It's in the Mugen blue. The official color of Mizuno is blue. For the 2025 Paris Olympics, they introduced the Mugen blue. That's their color, that's their...
Yung ibang model or yung ibang...
I think may iba, sa ibang mga branches like sa Alabang, may mga iba rin display ng mga Tamashinations na figures. And then with yung Mizuno naman ng mga products, different branches that available din sila. And you can also purchase mo online sa website ni Great Toys. Tapos pinipalo ko yung mga suki sa Tokyo. Pansin mo yung vibe dito sa store, parang same din sa mga hobby stores sa Japan.
So, can you explain more of how
with regards to the Mizuno footwear, we are a sports equipment company, comph.com. So we're open to inquiries for reselling, for any school teams, any clubs that may be interested in acquiring or at least trying out the shoes. We also have a branch in Festival Mall, Alabang. Our head office is Festival Mall, Alabang, also with Great Toys. Our head office is in Taft Avenue. We're near the dating Great Toys. Dating Great Toys in near Pedro Hill Station.
Hindi nasagot yung tanong ko eh. Kasi pupunta ko dati doon.
tatak ako, bakit may sportswear dito? Yun pala eh.
Actually, mas matagal sila.
Ah,
They started way longer than Great Toys. So it's like double the age sila.
1993.
Like kami 2001. So they are older.
Yun. And then, every 6 months, we'll have a refresh of products. New colors, there's a new nice color coming out sa second half of 2025. So, wala. Tune in to our website or Facebook. You'll see all the colors. And hint lang, medyo Gundam color. Yung Gundam motif.
Ay, di pa pwede i-review.
Hindi pa pwede review yung picture. And
Toy-Con daw.
Multiple of other events. And actually, we're one of the few shops and businesses that's been with Toy-Con since the first Toy-Con event in 2001.
Tama ba? Tama ba? Tama ba?
Ito nga.
2002.
Yan na. Kaya.
Pero I think nag-collecticon ka ba dati? Ay, 1999 yun. Ay, 98 yata. Wala pa. So, 2001 ka pala yun.
2001.
Oh.
So, yeah, so, of course.
May veteran dito.
Tapos, so, dito sa SMX tayo, then, actually, I was talking to Sir Vic nga, yun sa, pwede ba sabihin yun sa launch event? Alam na po?
Hindi, sige. Opo. Wala kayo. Ha? Which one ba? Which one?
Yung...
Si May? Si May? Or...
Sa May? Public knowledge ang ba?
Wala pa. Wag muna.
Wala pang NDA.
So, as mentioned, we will... One of the plans that we have is we'll be having different pop-up events for 2025.
Ghostbusters.
For 2025. So, like we'll be having a pop-up event for G0, Heat Boys, Mega House, Ichiban Fuji, Van Presto, Good Smile. So, we will be announcing majority of them at our Facebook page and other and of course, we hope that you can also help us to discuss, to inform other customers and dealers and end users about it. So, as you know, we just finished the 50th Chogokin exhibition. Some of the exhibition materials are still here in the store. Sinadya pa namin na nandito kayo para makita nyo, which is of course the Tamashii Nations display, the Voltes 5 statue, as well as some of the Tamashii Nations exhibition here. There's also a display festival Mall Alabang of a different style, but also 50th anniversary Chogokin. So,
I was there.
in the next few months, we'll be updating or changing the displays there. Kasi patapos na yung 50th Chogokin. The 50th Chogokin is supposed to end. The final 50th Chogokin product is already released in Japan. So actually, we have to finish the event possibly in June this year. There will be 50th Chogokin, some other products coming in. So basically, we already have a Banters no pop-up event just outside the mall. We have some displays of Banters and also a product, exclusive product, which is the Gear 5 Luffy, event exclusive Luffy. So, in March 2025, we'll be having a Tamashii event in Robinson's Magnolia. Robinson's Magnolia, the last of the 50th Chogokin exclusive items will be released there actually. So this is Indonesia. This is the Indonesia photo of the Indonesia event. So Tamashii Nations is moving from country to country. So Philippines is March 2025. So we have not yet made any information public. We should be announcing possibly by first week of February, a month before the event. So except for the exhibition, the highlight of the event will be Voltes 5 Legacy of course, as well as event exclusive products, which will be a first for the Philippines. So, we'll be also having a pop-up event in late March in cooperation with Toy-Con.
Kaya na pala eh.
Leaks.
course, there's will be Toy-Con in June 2025. Of course, then of course, like always, we have numerous events and sales for our end users. Then of course, to quickly go through brand highlights before we go to the raffle as well as the product distribution. So basically, our company is Philippine Distributor Bandai. So basically, a lot of people are asking what does Bandai, why there are red Bandai and a blue Bandai. Actually, because of the size of Bandai. Actually, Bandai is form of like 20, 30 smaller sub-companies, subgroups. Each group operates differently and sells different products. So, yeah, it's like example, if you're talking of Unilever, the group that makes cookies is different from the group that makes shampoo, or different from the group that makes other products, even though they follow the same mother company. The same with Bandai. So Bandai, there is of course Tamashii Nations, Collector Division. Ichiban Kuji is the raffle cube one. I think majority of you already tried Ichiban Kuji, but we will let you play Ichiban Kuji later for today. So Banpresto, which is of course Tokata. Then Shokugan is the candy toy, which is this one. This one, of course, a candy toy. So, actually, outside Japan, Bandai has instructed us not to use the candy moniker, candy toy name. The reason because the product does not have any candy. Because of health, because of yung we have to get permits from FDA, they have the candies removed. So the product sold here is actually just a product only. And to avoid any issue, they remove the name, they prefer to use the Shokugan brand instead, which is actually Shokugan is SNP. And I remember we had a Voltes 5 figure that was released last year, SNP, Shokugan Modeling Project. So even though in Japan it's referred to as candy, here in the Philippines it's just referred to as the blind box toys, similar to like yung Pop Mart. So like this one is Crayon Shin-chan, blind box. This is Pokemon, also blind box. Then of course, so they're using more of the Shokugan label that instead of the so of course, Ichiban Kuji. Everybody familiar with Ichiban Kuji? Or any app? Sino pa hindi pa nakatry na Ichiban Kuji?
Ayun yung binubunot. Ay, yung binubunot.
Mga batang
So
lines,
it's like
baka batang
carnival,
lines.
it's like a carnival game.
Masaya yan.
Samples.
So I'm sure everybody here wants to play the PlayStation set.
Yes! Yes!
Of course, we also have Demon Slayer, and also Demon Slayer One Piece.
One Piece.
Two piece.
Demon Slayer, Dragon Ball.
Masaya.
Side note, so yung Ichiban Kuji na pinag-uusapan dito is yung bunutan. So kung 90s, baka 90s, baka 80s kayo, yun yung bunutan na may gano'n tapos may nakalagay na item. Yun yung kung ano yung number 7, number 8. So pag nakukuha mo na gano'n, tapos may number na papakita mo yung mahal. Yun na, yung number, pag may number na kuha nun, yun yung bigay premium item. Ganun yung Ichiban Kuji.
Okay, then the next, of course, is Bandai Collector's Division Tamashii Nation. So for other people, they always refer Bandai as Bandai. But actually, as mentioned, Bandai, due to the size, they split into different departments. And Tamashii Nations is the collector division. So every product focused to collector, it falls under Tamashii Nations. So of course, there's Letter Build, Robot Spirits, SH Trigger Arts, which is very familiar with all of the collector, mga collectors and core fans. Of course, there's SHF, SH Monster Arts, Metal Build, Robot Spirit, Gundam Universe, Solo Turbo Kid. Of course, Voltes 5, GX31 SP is very popular item, so a lot of people yeah. This is the sample here, of course. Everybody's quite familiar with GX31 SP. So, of course, the product is a bit adjusted for the heavy, of course. Reason Bandai Tamashi Asian produces products really to help fans in the Philippine market to be able to get this very nice and very popular collectible. Of course, Presto is providing affordable action figures to fans and for fans. Then of course there's Shokugan, there's the SM2 Voltes 5 Pokemon which is under Shokugan Candy, Shokugan Candy Holiday. Of course other brands that we have which we can go around to check later. So of course there's 3-0 Clement, which is this blind box but mini play sets. Of course, there's Good Fan Company, which Android, Papa Parade, and Figma. Then, of course, we have 3 branches. So that's basically we invite everybody to pick some Ichiban Kujis for you to take home.
Tapos sabay-sabay natin buksan.
Tayo sa
Side note, so yung Ichiban Kuji na pinag-uusapan dito is yung bunutan. So kung 90s, batang 80s kayo, yun yung bunutan na may gano'n tapos may nakalagay na item. Yun yung kung ano yung number 7, number 8, pag pagkuha mo ng gano'n, tapos may number na papakita mo kay Manong. Nainom mo. Yun na, yung number, pag may number na kuha doon, yun yung bibigay mo. Claim mo yung item. Ganun yung Ichiban Kuji. Station na.
Yan na, palang bunutan.
Ayan na. Si Ichiban Kuji.
Kati yung mga staff.
Pero pa dito, Dragon Ball.
Baka din si ES kasi yun eh. Parang sa OPS na lang din. Sorry! Sorry, Dragon Ball.
Wala.
Fuji nila, tulungan. Sino pa yung wala pa na?
Video.
Ako.
Pakita ko Earl.
Kuha din tayo isa.
Karen,
Ikaw ba yun?
Karen.
document.
Ito ba?
Oh, thanks.
Coupon.
First time ko. Teka.
So, open natin.
Ito lang. Paano ba binubuksan to?
Para hindi magkahalo-halo.
Oo nga. Kuha ka ba? Bunot ka?
Video tayo, video.
Ito lang. Bunot.
Ito na. Anong tawag ito?
Ichiban Kuji.
Ichiban Kuji.
Ayan. May kinagay ako dito. JG. Ano ba
PlayStation ba ito? PlayStation.
PlayStation tayo.
Ito ito, may talupa.
Saan ba? Pumatanda na. Ayun. Tayo.
D. Letter D nakuha ko. Hanggang D.
E. For Earth.
Anong price nito?
Wala, hulaan. Kung mayroong price, hindi meron. Pag wala. Eh sa'yo,
Meron
ikaw.
yan,
Ano, ikaw?
lahat yan may price.
Sa'yo.
Lahat yan may price.
Ayan.
Buksan mo na.
Letter C.
Letter C.
Oh, yan.
Letter C.
Ayan, tingnan natin ngayon kung sinong manalo. Parang magkakadikit lang yung ano ah.
Aman.
So ayun, gahanapan. Check natin dun yung ano.
Okay.
Okay.
Yung letter D ko.
Ayun pala.
choices po?
Ganda.
Basta letter D lang.
Letter D,
yung
pili.
napili.
Ay, shit, maganda yung sa akin. Letter E. Ate, ano yung sa akin? Letter E.
Wala ka
Letter A,
makain.
parang
Last year
ano
pa,
to,
puro
pine.
baso, puro one piece.
Yan.
Ito.
Ang ganda
Parang
naman
pine
ng
yun.
price ko.
Ang ganda naman nung mouse pa.
Pero yung PlayStation, yun, no? Yung PlayStation 5 yung gusto
Sana
ko.
pala letter A yun.
Wala eh.
Dapat
Wala.
mabunot mo yung ano, letter B.
Yung shot glass, pwede na yan.
Shot na
Shot
sa'yo.
puno.
O yun.
C yung sa'yo, di ba? Tote bag.
Letter B ako. Si Florencio,
Ah, E.
letter C.
FPJ. Ito na yung sa'yo.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ano letter yan? D.
Pang letter D din.
Poster ba yan?
Choices mo.
Choices,
Choices ka. Letter D, either
Pwede
mag-ano
namang
ka.
pumili.
Oo.
Get this then.
Walang bilog.
Meron.
Yung circle. Ano.
Coaster ba yan?
Poster. Ayan, pwede
Ah,
na yan.
dito na.
Ayan, pwede na yan bilog.
Sa akin.
Kunin ko na yung bilog.
Kuha ka ng isa, sir,
ka ba?
para sa ano. Letter D din sa'yo, sir? Okay. Akin na yung ano, sir. Ito.
Ayan. Ayan.
Sa'yo
Ayan.
yung price mo.
Kunin ko na to.
Ayan.
Mas maganda. Ay, puto kang bigas.
So guys, kung mga batang 90s at batang 80s, kung ano kayo, ito
Sa'yo,
yun.
sir.
Ate, letter E.
So, ito yung
Ayun sa akin.
Ito
Yan.
yung pumili.
Ay, anong choices ng ko? Ay, parehas ng ano? Parehas lang pala. Okay,
Kasi
okay na
minsan
yan.
yung iba naman kasi Ichiba na ganito pa yung iba-iba.
Ah, panyo ba? Akala ko mousepad. Panyo pala. Okay.
Panyo ata to eh. Ay, hindi. Mousepad.
Mousepad! Okay, okay na yan natin. Thank you.
Ano din yan?
Ayan,
PlayStation.
tote bag. Tote bag. Tote bag. A. A yun. A.
Mga bag siya. Letter C. Oh, ito yung price.
Ayan po ang napanalo na nila yung ano.
Ate ako po,
Ate,
letter C.
letter C din siya.
Letter C din siya. Okay. Ito, pili ka dito. Sir.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Ate, magkano yung isang EQ po ng Ikabando?
Ano yan, sir? Kung bibili po kayo ng ganitong ticket na sa 450.
450.
Ah, okay. Pero sure winner ka naman. Yung paano lang. Oo.
Pwede na. 40 na 500.
Yan ang ano. So okay lang. So okay lang sa akin.
Pakita.
Sa'yo po. Sa PlayStation din, sir.
Oo, PlayStation.
PlayStation.
Si Karen. Anong letter?
Okay, so ganun yung Ichiban Kuji guys. So 450 daw yung PlayStation. Tapos ito yung... Ayan. Namo. Ito yung 450. So letter E. May buwisit na ng gugulo. Ayan. Hindi na siya nang bablog pero may hawak siyang ano. Dami reklamo. Ano yung sa'yo? Akala ko ano eh.
Pwede bang pa-video nung sa'yo?
Yes, ano po yan?
Parang pag ano ka, sausawan, lagyan mo ng toyo mansi. Tapos PlayStation.
Kaya saan po yan sa alak? Oo, sa alak po yan. Sa alak din po yan.
Hindi nga rin lalagay mo dito, parang tapo na. Pati walang poster. Check nyo lang sa ano.
Panyo na lang.
Google Translate.
May nanalo na mga kaibigan. Ay, Dex, dito ka harap.
Bawal yung Piccolo ah.
Hayop, manalo, congrats. Bawal Piccolo, sir. Bawal yung Piccolo.
May raffle capture tayo.
Ayan na.
Ano pala ako?
Bakit? Late ako.
Yun nga, pag late ka tsaka wala ka, doon ka na nanalo.
I know.
Masaya na ako dyan.
Squeeze Minion Bob.
Stress bar? Ay, stress bar.
Sino winner natin? Yun, spin that wheel na.
Karen!
Karen!
Kasi may lalakas.
Swerte!
Remove.
Next prize natin.
Uy, ang dami.
Ito, Dragon Ball.
Uy!
Card game.
Starter deck na kayo ng Dragon Ball.
Starter deck.
Japanese lang.
Japanese nga lang. Collectible.
Azrael.
Geek!
Si Rob Yatko from Lagim, by the way. Ayan.
Pwede na.
Next up. Our next prize natin.
Power bank.
Power bank.
Nerf! Uy, Nerf!
Pero 2 minutes lang siya, parang Evangelion. Spin na, spin. 2 minutes charging pala.
Hypercharging yan, ha? Lorenzo!
Uy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Congrats kayo.
Oy!
Ay, yan na.
Station.
Yan!
Nerve, nerve.
Ayan, vital bracelet.
Uy! Uy!
Para mag-transform na kayo. Ito,
Henshin,
DJ1.
Henshin. Henshin tuloy sinabi ko.
May manifest.
Pag punta kayo, kita gigs.
Claim it!
Sayang.
Sayang mo. Pag naging sana, reroll.
And the wins.
1.5. Kelvin 1.5.
Isa pa
Isa pa daw.
Isa pa.
Kailangan natin yan. Tenen. Alam mo, ano meron dito?
So, grand prize na ba tayo? Or may pa tayo? Additional pa?
Digimon pala to.
Isa pang minion
Pala,
na.
Digimon.
Yan! Konti na lang kami, kaya mas maganda yung
Spin that wheel na.
Wala kaming choice. Wala kaming choice.
Ang layo, gitna.
Alam ko sino win na eh.
Gitna talaga.
Nerve.
O, grand prize na ba tayo?
Ano kaya to?
Grand prize na, isang pair na
Balik!
Trade. Kasama yung
size
staff.
8 lang daw.
Ako, apat. Ilan na lang kayo nagalaban, no?
Lahat pinagin natin lahat.
Ano pag di ka size?
So ba?
Hindi na, kasi
Si Hauson. Nabunod ka na? Hindi pa nabunod? Ayun na, pangarap ng badminton shoes.
Mizuno, di ba, I mentioned earlier, naka-move and blue, yung for the 2024 Paris Olympics. Ito yung shoes na yun. Yan. Too bad, table tennis shoe to. Okay, so...
Pwede pa rin yan.
Okay lang ba?
Tinitrade.
Ano tayo?
Again, blue.
Okay, blue. So, bali running shoes ang ano natin. But you can offer this if you like.
Ay.
May option.
May price, oh.
Pero okay.
Maganda yung paglabas mo na,
Raffle tayo. So, ito yung choices. With the winner can choose either one. Then we'll present the sizes na lang. Limited lang sizes dito.
Kung gusto nyo kaliwa to, kanan to.
Uso naman yun.
Parang Gundam.
This is Wave Rider series.
We're talking to reset ba yung list o hindi?
Reset. Kumbaga, grand prize anyone yung
Dapat reset yan.
Reset.
Tapos ikaw muna to dalawa.
Ayan.
Last two muna. Yan, spin.
Cute kayo.
Spin.
Yan, pag stress kayo, yan, pwede yung gamitin yung minion.
Sapatos sa sana yun. No?
Malita, stress ka daw, pinsa.
Tanggal nga.
Ito tayo.
Yan, congrats na. May last prize pa tayo bago sa refresh na entries.
Squeezy. Louie.
Umabot.
Saan na?
Nakuha.
Merap na lang.
Ayan na.
Ay, nanalo ka.
Yay! Minion!
Masaya.
Ayun, ready na.
Ready na.
Ito na, sapatos
Ayan na. Buti na lang, wala si Chad. Si Chad na naman mananalo dyan eh.
Take ko lang dito.
Ay, bababa mo muna yung window para ano.
Pakita.
Oo. Ayan.
More chances na bumalik na lahat.
Ayan. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ayun, kaliwa.
Kaliwa.
Sabi ko na eh.
Claim it.
Design.
Design. Eto na lang.
Ayun.
Eto na.
Pero size 6 lang sa'yo.
Ah!
Congrats kay Erla. Saan kayo nakuha ng prize? Pick mo na daw, picture ng prize.
Oh, pick. Ah, sige.
Ang voice, ikaw ano nakuha mo? Patingin nga. Roleplay. Itong red.
Dahil